Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, surface cover, optical drive, hard disk drive, wireless module, keyboard, top cover, and system board. Removal. On the bottom of the system board, disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Note: the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 7 screws. Loosen the 7 captive P1 Phillip head screws that secure the fan heatsink assembly over the processors in numerical order. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the fan heatsink assembly and processor components, it may be necessary to move the fan heatsink assembly from side to side to detach it from the system board. Remove the fan heatsink assembly from the system board. Replacement. Note: before replacing the fan heatsink assembly, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the fan heatsink assembly is removed. Use alcohol and a soft cloth or an alcohol swab to clean all thermal grease off of the fan heatsink assembly, primary processor, and graphics processor. Use the thermal grease applicator to apply the proper amount of thermal grease to the center of the primary processor and graphics processor cores. Position the fan heatsink assembly over the processors and align the 7 mounting screws with the standoffs on the system board. Tighten the 7 captive P1 Phillip head screws that secure the fan heatsink assembly over the processors in numerical order. Connect the fan cable into its connector on the system board.